Good morning, Dr. Knight. Today is November 2nd, and we are going to do our second week of distance learning. For this week, what I've done is I've created a little circuit for you here. So basically what you're going to do here is you're going to perform all 7 of these exercises with as little time in between each exercise as possible. So exercise 1, you can see right here, is to jog in place for 30 seconds. And exercise 2 is to do a plank for 15 seconds. Exercise 3, 10 squats. Exercise 4, we're going to do line hops for 30 seconds. Exercise 5, we're going to do a Superman for 15 seconds. Exercise 6, you're going to do 5 push-ups, all right, or as many as you can there. And then you're going to do exercise 7, which is high knees in place for 20 seconds, okay? This is called a circuit. The goal of a circuit is to transition between exercises with as little rest in between as possible. If you need a few seconds to rest and catch your breath after doing something, that's fine, but your goal is to take as few breaks as possible. You'll notice I put YouTube links underneath every single one of these exercises. If you don't know what an exercise is, all you have to do is take your finger or take your mouse and you just hover it and click on it real quick, and that will bring up an exercise. You can see right here, this would be the jog in place. All right, right here, it's showing you how to jog in place. Okay, every one of those exercises have a video that'll show you what to do. So if you're not sure, that'll help you out. When you complete all of your exercises, oops, sorry about that. When you complete all of your exercises, that is considered one round. So here's what the breakdown is going to be for what I want you to do for this workout depending on your grade level. If you're in kindergarten and first grade, you do 1 round. If you're in second and third grade, you'll do 2 rounds. And if you're in fourth and fifth grade, you'll do 3 rounds. So 1 round, just to be clear again, 1 round is doing every one of those exercises listed above. Okay? So if you're in second and third grade, you would do that whole workout that I just put up there 2 times. And if you're in fourth and fifth, you're going to do it 3 times. Okay? Because as you get older, you should be able to handle a little bit more work. You're trying to do it as quickly as possible. You're trying to do it with as little time in between each exercise and as little time in between each round as possible. Okay? So if you're in first grade or kindergarten, your time down here is probably going to be significantly less than the people who are in second and third or the people who are in fourth and fifth grade. Your goal is to do this workout 2 times this week. Okay? So today's a day 1. So if you are a third grader, a second grader, a first grader, this is technically your day to be doing this workout. Tomorrow would be a day 2. So that would mean that fourth grade, fifth grade, kindergarten should be trying to do this workout. And then, of course, day 3 being Wednesday is when everyone should be doing this workout again. What I want you to do here is just for one of the days, it doesn't matter which one, I want you to take a cell phone, take your iPad. I want you to time your workout. So that includes from when you start all of your breaks until you finish. So if I'm doing this workout and I start it, every time that I take a break, I don't turn the clock off. I want to keep it running. Okay, and the same thing, like if I'm a fourth or fifth grader and I got to do 3 rounds of this, I want to make sure that I keep it running the whole time in between rounds as well. Okay, so it might take some of you 25 minutes to do this. You might get tired and need a break. It might take some of you only 10, 12 minutes to do this. But if you do the whole workout, it should take you at least 10 minutes. Okay, so let me know how it goes. Like I said, the one thing that you're doing is you're just making sure you enter a time in here because I want to be able to make sure that I have some way to record that you actually did do the workout. So enter your time in here, okay? Good luck, have fun, and enjoy the rest of your week here. As I'll be looking forward to seeing you guys next Monday back in school.